Hey everyone, let's explore this elevated outdoor dog bed designed to keep your pet cool and comfortable. The powerful adjustable feet provide incredible stability on any terrain for your energetic furry friends. A large three-sided canopy offers superior UV protection and includes roll-up covers for wind or rain. This off-ground design increases airflow and provides vital joint relief for dogs of all sizes. The durable waterproof Oxford cloth is scratch-resistant and very easy to clean after a long day. You will love the quick assembly and the portable carry bag for your next camping trip. With a 150-pound weight capacity, this sturdy cot is the perfect choice for every outdoor adventure. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.